Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of small manufacturing business ideas. Focusing on daily products and affordable machines. It's a fantastic opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs to turn their ideas into reality without breaking the bank. Let's explore some viable options. First up, consider soap making. It's a classic for a reason. You can create handmade soaps with various scents and ingredients. Affordable machines include soap molds, a basic mixer, and a scale. Daily products like soap are always in demand. Next, candle making is another excellent choice. The market for scented candles is huge. You'll need wax, wicks, fragrance oils, and molds. A simple melting pot and pouring equipment are all you need to get started. Candles are a popular daily product, perfect for gifting or personal use. Let's move on to the production of custom stickers and labels. Many businesses need stickers for branding and labeling. Invest in a vinyl cutter and a printer. You can create a wide variety of stickers and labels, tailored to specific customer needs. This is a very scalable business idea. Another idea is producing custom phone cases. With the popularity of smartphones, there's a constant demand for phone cases. You'll need a heat press and blank phone cases. The customization options are endless, catering to a diverse customer base. It's a very profitable niche. Consider manufacturing personalized mugs. Everybody loves a good mug. Invest in a sublimation printer and a mug press. You can create unique designs and sell them online or at craft fairs. The daily use of mugs makes them a great product to sell. Let's not forget about creating handmade jewelry. Necklaces, bracelets, and earrings are always in demand. You'll need basic tools, beads, and findings. You can create beautiful, unique pieces to sell online or at local markets. Jewelry is always a good daily product for sale. Now, let's talk about lip balm production. It's a small but mighty product. You'll need ingredients like beeswax, oils, and essential oils. Small molds and packaging are essential. Lip balm is a daily essential for many, ensuring steady demand. Consider starting a small-scale button-making business. Buttons are used in various crafts and clothing. A button maker and button blanks are all you need. You can customize them for different events or brands. It's another daily use item. Let's also look at producing personalized keychains. Keychains are functional and can be customized with names or designs. You will need a laser engraver or a simple stamping kit. This is a simple but high-demand product. Finally, think about producing custom greeting cards. People always need cards for different occasions. You'll need a printer, cardstock, and design software. You can design unique cards and sell them online or at local shops. It's an evergreen market. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Remember to research your market, create a business plan, and start small. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.